Spaghetti squash is one of the most popularly grown vegetables that most people love to eat. It's like pasta, but it's not pasta. Sometimes people notice that the spaghetti squash is green inside instead of its usual yellow or golden color. If a spaghetti squash is green and soft, it is more likely to rot than ripen when off the vine. If it has hints of yellow and the squash appears to be full-sized and sounds solid when tapped, it could be mature and ready for eating. However, if the fruit is too mature, it may already be rotting inside, so it's hard to tell what stage it is at by just looking at it. Go ahead and try to cut into the fruit by gently prying open the rind just enough to see inside, then softly pressing back together. If you notice any green spots or dark discoloration on the seeds, that are an indication that it has begun to rot. How do you know if spaghetti squash is bad inside? Green inside. The first rule of thumb is to not eat or cook spaghetti squash if it is green or almost completely green. A fully ripe one should have a bright yellowish-orange tone. Discoloration. Any discoloration on the rind means the spaghetti could be rotten on the inside. If the rind appears to be saggy or has a dark spot, do not cook it. Soft spots on the exterior of the fruit. Any small soft spot can turn into a large dark patch very quickly, so if you notice anything with discoloration, toss them immediately. Are the seeds brown? When you are cooking spaghetti squash at home, do not eat those that have already begun to turn brown on the seeds, as this may indicate the presence of harmful molds that can cause foodborne illnesses. How to ripen spaghetti squash. Store it in a cool, dry place, away from any direct sunlight, for about 10 to 12 weeks. Ripen spaghetti squash at home by keeping it on top of your counter or kitchen table to allow the fruit to breathe well and avoid overly moist conditions. You can also ripen this winter gourd off the vine, but make sure to leave half an inch space between each other so there is enough air circulation around them. To know if your spaghetti squash is ripe, check the bottom for any indentations. Mature spaghetti squash will have roots on the bottom, while immature ones do not. Spaghetti squash's shelf life. Spaghetti squash has a short storage life and should be kept indoors at room temperature for no longer than 10 days, so it's best to use them as soon as possible after harvesting or purchasing from the grocery store. Leaving winter squashes out can cause faster deterioration due to moisture loss and rotting, because of a quicker oxidation process happening inside the fruit. Conclusion. Spaghetti squash, also known as vegetable noodles, has a delicious taste and texture. The flesh of the spaghetti squash has a very mild flavor, which makes it a good choice for pairing with almost any sauce or side dish. Slice your spaghetti squash thin and use it in place of regular pasta. Just be sure to cook it first before you serve. If you're not planning on using your spaghetti squash right away, after cooking you can freeze the remaining half and then thaw it out for later use. To freeze cooked spaghetti squash, just cool the leftovers of your spaghetti squash to room temperature, then transfer them to an airtight container and place the container in the freezer. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.